I'm cooking here a fabulous pasta. I'm cooking a fabulous meatball, broccoli, and onions and tomatoes pasta. So, like I'm cooking this pasta, this is how you need to put flavor in your life. Cook something for God and for you too. And you will see the difference, what God will do in your life. Look at this amazing pasta. It's wonderful. Wonderful. It's right here. It's right here. Look. It's beautiful. It's beautiful looking. It's so wonderful and beautiful. So put some flavor in your life. Praise Jesus, praise God, and you will see the